Welcome, today I'm with Huawei Mate 10 Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings. Here just find sounds and vibration, tap on that and scroll down. Now you'll see this notification sound, that's bongo. Just tap here and you can select one from these sounds. You can also select from the music on device if you get it. Like that. If you want, you can just select from this one sound. Okay, I'll go in with this one, and now if you'll go back, you'll see that your notification sound has changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.